Hi guys, this is Dr. Vaidik from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I am going to demonstrate the capsicum model for the learning of FAS as taught by Dr. Janki Raman sir. So I am trying to do it for the first time. So here we can see the nasal cavity, which looks like nasal cavity, not exactly. And this patient is also having the polyposis with fungal sinusitis. So here are some landmarks. This is the right side maxillary sinus. This is the left side maxillary sinus. This is the uncinate process bilateral. These are the polyposis, and here is the frontal sinus right side and frontal sinus left side. Behind that, in the posterior side, there is sphenoid sinus. So we'll do step by step the basic of FAS in the capsicum model. So for that, I would like to thank Dr. Janki Raman sir for this wonderful technique of learning anything at home. So we'll do first the we'll try to remove the polyposis first, step by step from the left side first, like this. Single or multiple, you can remove it like this. So there is a blackish dot which suggestive of fungal pathology also. So I am removing it from the left side first. It is called the debulking of the polyposis. So first this is in the nasal cavity, so I have to debulk a little bit, then I can see the landmark properly and go the step by step approach of the FAS. The first thing is the uncinectomy. So first I'll do the left side uncinectomy like this. I'll use the sickle knife here. I generally do the backbiting forceps, but here I have only sickle knife. So I'll do this cutting of with the sickle knife, the uncinate process, like this, very gently. So this is the first step of the FAS. So cutting the uncinate process. So the vertical part and horizontal part both removed. Now we can see the maxillary sinus ostium.